So che italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci. La mia famiglia è italiana e io amo Italia. Tu di dove sei?
Do Italians sometimes struggle to understand you, even when you know the words?
It's not about your grammar, it's how your mouth moves.
I suppose when I speak English, my mouth's quite lazy.
When you speak English, your mouth is lazy. You drop consonants, shorten vowels, lower your energy. But Italian is different. It's crisp, musical, every syllable matters. If you don't train your mouth, your Italian will always sound unclear, no matter how much vocabulary you know. I've helped hundreds of learners sound clearer instantly, and in this video I'm going to show you the exact 3-step drill to sharpen your Italian and look more confident in just 5 minutes, but also show you a real before and after with my students.
Mi chiamo Oscar.
So you can hear the change. So let's dive into step number 1. Record your voice. Say this sentence in Italian.
So che l'italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci. La mia famiglia è italiana e io amo l'Italia. Tu di dove sei?
Don't overthink, just record. Chances are your Italian muscles in your mouth aren't activated and it moves badly. Hence, your Italian comes out messy. That's alright. Trust the process and move on to step 2. Grab a book.
L'hai visto, Silvia? Sì, che cos'era quello? Non lo so.
Read out loud for 5 minutes. Exaggerate every sound, every consonant, every vowel, every syllable. Stretch your mouth like an actor. As soon as you finish, record the same sentence again. It's already better, but if you are shy, Italian makes you nervous or have generally a low presence. This happens. So che l'italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci. La mia famiglia è italiana e io amo l'Italia. So, step number 3, do an energy drill. Count from 1 to 10, keeping the same strong energy all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As soon as you finish, start recording the same sentence again.
So che l'italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci. La mia famiglia è italiana e io amo l'Italia. Tu di dove sei?
Now, when you compare your first and last recording, the difference is massive.
So che italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci.
So che l'italiano è difficile, ma devo provarci.
Crisp, confident, and clear.
I feel more confident and feel like I can pronounce Italian words better.
Ok, sì, ma non è finita. It's not over.
Do this daily, especially before your Italian lessons or meetings with Italians, and you'll notice instant results. Try this 5-minute drill every day for a week and tell me the difference you feel, and if you want more techniques to make your Italian flow faster and easier, watch this video next.
We're not going to post this online, are we?
Ai posteri l'ardua sentenza. Let posterity judge.
And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you.